Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to convert the hidden HTML divs and insert them inside the PDF document. So this can also include CSS properties such as text color. So if I just show you, this is using jsPDF library. So you will see on the screen nothing is there. No divs are shown to the user. They are all hidden when the application launches for the very first time. So you only see a button out there. So when you click the button, a PDF file will be downloaded automatically. So this will hold all the divs that we are converting right now, which is by default. You will see hidden attribute is attached to them. So they also have their own colors. So I can change the colors to any color of, let's suppose I change to blue color. So once again, if I hit this button, so now this changes the color to blue. So by default, these divs are all hidden by default, guys. They are not shown to the user. So automatically we are inserting them to the PDF document using jsPDF library. So these divs can include anything. They can also include a paragraph as well. So we can have a long paragraph that this is a long paragraph of text. So inside this divs, you can wrap any valid HTML that you want. So once again, if you click generate, so you will see that this is converting this to so you can see that. So you can also manipulate individual properties. Let's suppose I change this to green. So now you can see this is changed to green here. So you can target multiple devs out there which are hidden by default. So let's get started by building this application, guys. I have given all the source code in the video description. So I have written a complete blog post, which is this blog post. So I have given the link in the video description. This is the all the source code that you will require. So let's start building this application. So first of all, you need to include the CDN for the JSPDF library and the Jquery library. This is very much useful. So just include this. So after you do this, you have to make the body tag, and inside this you will define your divs. I can just give it an ID of section 1. So basically they will be hidden by default. So I can just attach a property to it of hidden. And similarly, we will have another div. Let's suppose I provide the ID section 2. This will also be hidden by default. So let's suppose this is section 1, and inside the second div, this is section 2. So now if I open this inside the browser, nothing will be shown to the user because they are hidden by default. If I remove this attribute, you will see they will be shown to the user. So we don't want to show them. By default, they will be hidden. Sometimes you need to be converting the divs which are shown hidden. So in that scenario, what you can do is that now you can write your JavaScript. So inside this, you can initialize the JSPDF library. And inside this, guys, you can use the fromHTML method of JSPDF to convert the HTML to PDF. So this comes very handy. So first of all, we need to unhide the stuff. So we will target it by the ID section 1, and we will remove the attribute, which is remove attribute method we will use. And here we will provide hidden attribute. So first of all, we will dynamically remove the attribute which is given to us, which is hidden. After that, we will insert this doc.fromHTML, and inside this we will provide the ID, which is this one, section 1, and then we will provide the x and the y coordinate, which is 5 comma 5, and then we again need to hide the attribute once again. So we will say that section 1 attribute hidden to true. So we will again hide the div. So in between we can insert it to the PDF document, and now we can save it, document.save output.pdf. So if I execute this application, so automatically you will see that it will, so it is saying that undefined. Let me see guys. So remove attribute. Oh, sorry, we need to do it like this. So document dot get element by id. This is a method you need to use guys, section 1. So do it like this. Use the document dot get element by id. Don't use the jQuery one. So if you once again do it, now you will see that it is successfully converted. This is section 1. So we are not showing the div to the user, and we can successfully insert the div content to the PDF document using jsPDF library. So you can just bind a simple button, generate PDF. So when you click this button, you can execute a method, generate PDF. So now you can just execute this method here. So similarly, you can do it for the section 2 as well. So you can first of all remove the attribute of hidden, and then you can insert this by using fromHTML. Then provide the x and the y coordinate, which is this one. And again, you can hide this like this. So if you click generate PDF, so now you can see this is the first div, this is the second div. So you can also add CSS properties to it. So if you want to add the style, if you want to change the color to red, and if you want to change the color to, let's suppose, green. So you can also add CSS properties. Simply now you will see this is colored out there, this is red color, green color. You can also change the font size as well. So in this way you can do this. So you can add the CSS properties as well. So this is a very handy tutorial guys. So many situations can occur if you want to just convert the div's content without showing to the user. You can do it like this using simple jQuery, adding a hidden attribute to it and dynamically removing it and once again adding it. All the source code will be there inside video description. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.